From vibrant coral reefs to snow-capped peaks, our planet is a treasure trove of natural beauty and wonder. Our planet offers an unparalleled tapestry of wonders, each more breathtaking than the last. The diversity of landscapes, from lush forests to arid deserts, is truly astounding. For centuries, humans have felt the pull of the unknown, yearning to explore beyond the familiar. This innate curiosity drives us to venture into uncharted territories and discover new horizons. This desire to travel, to connect with nature and different cultures, lies deep within us. It is a fundamental part of the human spirit, pushing us to seek out new experiences and broaden our perspectives. But as we answer the call of adventure, we must also acknowledge the impact our journeys have on the environments we seek to enjoy. Responsible travel is essential to preserving these wonders for future generations. Today, we embark on a journey into the world of sustainable travel. This approach not only allows us to explore the world, but also ensures that we do so in a way that respects and protects the natural world. Imagine traversing rainforests, encountering magnificent creatures, and immersing yourself in vibrant cultures, all while being mindful of your environmental footprint. All while treading lightly on our planet. Sustainable travel is about making choices that benefit both the traveler and the destination. Join me as we delve into remarkable destinations where conservation and exploration go hand in hand. Together, we can make a positive impact while satisfying our wanderlust. Before we set off, it's crucial to understand the balance between satisfying our wanderlust and protecting the planet. Traveling opens our eyes to new cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable experiences. However, it also comes with responsibilities that we must not ignore. While tourism can be a force for good, it's often a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can boost local economies, create jobs, and foster cultural exchange. On the other hand, it can lead to overcrowding, environmental degradation, and the loss of local traditions. The act of traveling, particularly long-haul flights, contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. These emissions are a major driver of climate change, affecting weather patterns and natural habitats around the globe. The carbon footprint of our travels can cast a shadow over the pristine landscapes we long to experience. The very places we seek to explore and enjoy are at risk of being damaged by our own actions. Additionally, the influx of visitors can strain local resources, leading to water shortages and increased waste. Local communities often bear the brunt of these impacts, facing challenges in maintaining their way of life. But there's hope. A growing awareness has sparked a movement towards responsible tourism. More and more travelers are recognizing the importance of preserving the environments and cultures they visit. More travelers are seeking ways to minimize their impact, opting for eco-friendly accommodations and supporting local communities. This shift towards sustainability is not just a trend, but a necessary evolution in how we explore the world. By making responsible choices, we become stewards of the planet, ensuring that the beauty we experience today remains for generations to come. Our actions today will shape the future of travel and the health of our planet. Sustainable travel isn't just about protecting the environment, it's also about creating meaningful connections and fostering mutual respect between travelers and the local communities they visit. It's about empowering the people who call these destinations home, giving them the tools and opportunities to thrive. Imagine stepping off the beaten path and finding yourself in a bustling local market where every stall tells a story and every purchase makes a difference. Here, you're not just a tourist, you're a guest, engaging directly with local artisans and entrepreneurs who pour their heart and soul into their crafts. Every purchase you make directly benefits the community, ensuring that tourism dollars contribute to their well-being and future growth. Consider the impact of choosing a locally owned guest house over a multinational hotel chain. Not only do you get a unique and authentic experience, but you also support local families and businesses. You'll experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people while supporting a business invested in the community's future, creating a positive cycle of support and growth. These small businesses often prioritize sustainable practices, sourcing food locally and minimizing their environmental impact, which benefits both the environment and the local economy. By supporting local businesses, you're fostering economic empowerment and cultural preservation, ensuring that these communities can maintain their unique identities and traditions for generations to come. Our first stop takes us to Costa Rica, a pioneer in sustainable tourism. This small nation boasts astonishing biodiversity, with lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and towering volcanoes. Over 25% of the country's landmass is protected within a network of national parks and reserves. Imagine soaring through the rainforest canopy on a zipline adventure, or kayaking along tranquil rivers. These experiences provide sustainable livelihoods for local communities, directly tied to the health of the ecosystem. By choosing eco-friendly tours and accommodations, you're contributing to Costa Rica's ongoing conservation efforts. Chapter 4, Bhutan, Happiness over Growth. Nestled high in the Himalayas, Bhutan offers a unique perspective on sustainable travel. This nation prioritizes the well-being of its citizens and the preservation of its natural and cultural heritage over economic growth. Bhutan's approach to tourism includes a daily tariff system for visitors, funding environmental conservation, and free healthcare. The country has implemented strict environmental regulations, promoting sustainable practices in all sectors. They've banned plastic bags and pledged to remain carbon neutral. Traveling to Bhutan is a privilege, an opportunity to experience a country that balances modernity and tradition. It's a harmonious blend of economic development and environmental preservation. Chapter 5, Iceland, Nature's Playground. This Nordic island nation is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature, with glaciers, geysers, and the northern lights. Iceland's commitment to sustainability is evident in its innovative use of geothermal energy. The country aims to become carbon neutral by 2040, investing heavily in renewable energy sources. Imagine soaking in the Blue Lagoon, knowing the geothermal energy powering it is sustainable. Iceland is a shining example of embracing natural wonders while protecting them for future generations. Chapter 6. Stay in eco-lodges. Eco-lodges blend seamlessly into their natural surroundings, minimizing their environmental impact. Imagine waking up to the sounds of the rainforest, sunlight filtering through the canopy. Eco-lodges often use sustainable materials and practices, minimizing their carbon footprint. Many utilize solar panels, harvest rainwater, and source food locally, supporting the local economy. These lodges offer immersive experiences while protecting the surrounding ecosystems. Chapter 7. Participate in eco-tours. Eco-tours offer an opportunity to connect with nature and contribute to conservation efforts. Imagine trekking through the rainforest, learning about the ecosystem and observing endangered species, or participating in a coral reef restoration project, helping marine biologists replant coral fragments. Eco-tours actively engage travelers in conservation efforts, providing opportunities to learn and contribute. By choosing eco-tours, you're becoming part of a global movement to protect our planet's biodiversity. One of the greatest joys of travel lies in discovering unique and meaningful souvenirs. Instead of opting for mass-produced trinkets, seek out the work of local artisans. Imagine wandering through a bustling market, a kaleidoscope of colors and textures. By purchasing directly from artisans, you're investing in the preservation of traditional skills. These artisans often use sustainable materials and practices, minimizing their environmental impact. Your purchase will serve as a cherished reminder of your travels and a testament to your commitment to sustainable tourism. Support local artisans to preserve cultural heritage and support local communities. Minimizing our carbon footprint is crucial in sustainable travel. One impactful way is by making conscious choices about how we get around. Imagine stepping off a high-speed train in a bustling European city, opting for the local metro system, or renting a bicycle feeling the wind in your hair as you pedal along cobblestone streets. By choosing public transportation, cycling, or walking, you're reducing your carbon footprint and immersing yourself in local culture. These modes of transportation offer a more authentic travel experience, allowing you to connect with locals and discover hidden gems. Embrace a slower, more sustainable pace of travel. Reducing our waste and minimizing our impact on the environment is crucial. It's about making conscious choices in our everyday actions. Imagine standing at the edge of a pristine beach, noticing a plastic bottle half buried in the sand. Reducing our waste starts with simple steps. Carrying a reusable water bottle, opting for reusable shopping bags, and saying no to single-use plastics. These small actions can have a profound impact on reducing plastic pollution and protecting our oceans. By being mindful of our consumption habits, we can all play a part in preserving the beauty of our planet. As we conclude our journey into eco-friendly travel, we're left with a sense of hope and possibility. Sustainable travel isn't just a trend, it's a responsibility to ensure that the beauty we enjoy today remains for generations to come. By making conscious choices and embracing sustainable practices, we can all become stewards of our planet. The most rewarding journeys are those that leave a positive impact on the world. Let's explore responsibly, tread lightly, and ensure our travels contribute to a sustainable future for all. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly travel tips and adventures.